In February 2026, a company called Profound raised $96 million at a $1 billion valuation. First unicorn in this category. 700 enterprise customers. And the product asks ChatGPT a list of questions, then counts how often your brand name shows up in the answer. That is the whole thing. $99 a month gets you ChatGPT only. $399 gets you 3 engines. Peec is around 89 euros. Otterly runs up to 489. Here's the entire integration. 3 API calls, ChatGPT through chat completions, Perplexity's sonar model, and Google's AI overview scraped through SerpAPI. Then you search the response text for your brand name and your competitors' names, and you count the hits. Aggregate that by platform and by query, draw a chart, and you have shipped the product. 20 queries, 3 attempts each, 2 platforms, polled weekly. That is 480 polls a month, and about $8. Now the part I have to be honest about, because it applies to my version too. Surfer SEO ran 1,000 prompts through both the API and the real ChatGPT interface, and compared the answers. The API answers averaged 406 words, the real interface 743. Brand overlap between the two, 24%. Source overlap, 4%. So that is what the $400 actually buys. Scraping infrastructure against the real interfaces, kept alive through constant interface changes. That part is genuinely hard, and I did not build it. So here is what I would actually do. Build it first, run it for a quarter. Then find out whether anyone at your company ever acts on the number. Most people check it twice and stop.